who is the all-around champion of small-scale construction projects. It's a skid steer loader. It is small in size, flexible operation. It can connect to hundreds of different attachments. Hydraulic breakers, sweepers, detonators, grab buckets, demolition forks, and so on. Confined spaces such as tall buildings and tunnels, and other special working conditions. The advantages are even more pronounced. Those who are interested can contact us, the original manufacturer.